Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. I'm so glad you're here. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Head on over to Instagram at anxiousamy_IG. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your continued support. So today I'm going to be doing another open cup. My base will be Mont Marte white. I'm also using Artist Loft metallic black. This is Artminds silver. Another one of my favorite colors is Pebeo's iridescent blue black, as well as TLP Pigments Comet. It's an interference red gold. So you'll see in this piece the little bit of a red shimmer in behind. And the open cup that I'm using is the top from a McFlurry. They make amazing open cups, so we save them over the summer so that I can use them up during the winter. So yes, today I am painting on 13 by 13 inch floor tile. I found these in our house that we moved into over the summer. The previous owner left a ton of them. So I will be possibly resining this as my very first piece. So watch for that video to come out. And like I said, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of that. So I will let you enjoy the rest of this video and I will check in with you at the end. Can you see that Comet TLP pigment in the background there? It's the red in behind. It looks so good. And even now with the dried piece, you can still see the red in behind. I love this. It looks so much like marble, and because it's on top of a floor tile, it just gives it the perfect texture as well. I am going to be resining this, like I said, and selling them as hot plates or charcuterie boards. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this turns out with a coat of resin on it. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of those videos. And I will have lots more floor tiles to come. So take care, everybody. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.